So I installed the chain. It's pretty tricky because it's got to go behind the Ferris wheel, but I think it looks alright. And then here's the base of the lift. And the first drop is almost complete. Although I gotta be honest, this twist kind of scares me. I have that wooden style support structure, so hopefully the speed is conserved, but these curves always make me a little nervous with the speed loss. I'm going to show you what the first drop will look like to the folks walking out. And it'll be right there, right in their face. So I've done a bit more work. You can see the helix is done, but my speed issues are not over with yet. So this appears my test train. As you can see, the first, second, and last car have Johnny's wheel assemblies, and then 3 cars don't. I do plan to have Johnny's wheel assemblies on the whole thing when it's done, but I don't want it to get even hotter here in Mississippi and then it not make it, so I want to test it with the slower train. And without further ado, let's see how it goes.